always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about the Supreme week 13, if I'm not mistaken, partial drop list. We got a couple pieces that we do have confirmed. I want to show y'all some pictures of what happened to the fridge that was getting delivered from Supreme to the peoples that bought it. Mind you, $1,400 fridge. We gonna see what happened to it later, but I am also gonna include some sneakers at the end of this video, maybe like a couple kicks here and there that I just think are cool. Just some news for you guys. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Do not forget to subscribe, bro. Like, come on, just go ahead and subscribe down below. It definitely means the world when y'all come back, show love, give me your feedback. Hey, but without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm gonna talk about a couple of the pieces that we do have dropping for this week's Supreme list. I guess we do have the sleeping bag, which is actually pretty sick. I'm assuming these sleeping bags are actually self-inflating. I don't know what that means or what it does. What I'm assuming the sleeping bags are is basically a situation where you blow into the sleeping bag and it inflates a little bit. They are actually pretty cool. I like the fact that Supreme is spelled out all throughout it. I wonder if you could sleep on this or inside of this. I don't know how it works exactly. Let me know in the comments. I know that you could roll it up and basically like stuff it in this bag, which you guys are seeing next to it at the bottom. It's packable, I guess. So this is actually pretty cool. I wonder if it's effective or a Supreme item that you would actually use. I wonder how high retail is going to be on a piece like this as well. We also do have the lawn chair releasing, which I actually think is fire as well, but I honestly don't know where I would put this at this point. I have a couple Supreme chairs and FTP chair. I don't think I need a lawn chair. I even have this chair, and I feel like the lawn chair that's releasing now is literally the same thing with a longer piece at the front. This one's actually better in my opinion. I don't really need that one. So at the end of the day, I feel like that's just a piece that I'd probably end up sleeping on. It's way too much space that it's gonna take up, and I feel like if you're not gonna actually put it like in your backyard and use it, you would even have to buy a set at that. So I don't know. This is just an item that I'm gonna sleep on for sure. Clean piece though, and if you can make use of this item, I would recommend you to buy it. I don't know what retail is gonna be. I think these were like $80 or $70 or something like that. So yeah, if you're interested in the chair, I will keep you guys updated on the prices. I don't really know as of yet, but I do assume that it's gonna be around $100. There's also the Vanson collab, which is gonna be dropping. This is basically like the spider web addition to the collab, which I honestly think it's alright, bro. Like, it's nothing too special. At the end of the day, I do feel like these prices are gonna be like, I think the jacket is like $2,000, bro. Like, who is paying $2,000 for the jacket? Like, let me know in the comments. Definitely not me. Like, I'm staying away from that jacket right there. I do think it looks cool. I like the way that the cuts are on it. It gives me like vintage vibes, and these are full 100% leather jackets, so I see why the price would be that high. I'm just guesstimating at the end of the day, but I'm pretty certain on my prices. They're wildin', bro. Like, I'm good on that. We do have the hooded sweatshirt, which I do think is actually pretty cool. I like the spiderweb effect behind the head area. Fire. I also love the way that they did the branding on the sides. I just hope that this item right here has more Supreme relatable type prices rather than $2,000 or $1,000 for a sweater at that. Like, it's just too much. I do like that yellow colorway though. As you guys can see, this is like one of my only yellow hoodies, and this one right here, fire. I'm trying to tell you. The next item from the collab would be the spider web bag. This is basically like a shoulder bag, or like almost like a messenger size bag. That's what it kind of looks like right here. This almost pairs up to the Louis V's. No, not all the way up there, but at the end of the day, it is a pricey bag and it is genuine leather, so I could kind of see it. It's just a little bit too loud for my liking. I like the spider web side. I feel like they're doing something different on that one. That classic logo gotta go. Like, I don't know, I just personally, slight bars, personally don't really like that logo that much, but I know that obviously it is a classic. At the end of the day, personally, I'm good on that item though. I know retail is gonna be like $800 to $1,200 for that bag. Next up and last up for the Supreme pieces releasing, we do have the web vest, which is basically the same Vanson looking ass design on a vest this time. I feel like it's still cheeks, bro. Like, it's still cheeks. Somebody out there gonna be on a Harley Davidson wearing this shit thinking they the shit, bro. Like, it's cool. Like, do your thing. You can miss me with this shit. Like, this can go that way. Like, I'm not trying to buy this at all, especially for the price. Like, bro, if I was gonna pay anything related to that price, I wouldn't buy this shit regardless. regardless. Like, I'm good. We about to let that sit right where it's at. We're gonna talk about the Supreme SMeg fridges, which actually released last week. And the only reason that I'm talking about it is because when they're getting delivered to people, the whole back of the fridge is missing. Like, the whole side of the fridge is breaking in the delivery process, if that makes sense. That happens maybe once, like, okay, it's forgivable, but no, it happened to like 5 people today alone, like, that I seen on Instagram. Hella people are getting this $1,398 mini fridge from Supreme and it's broken. Like, what? Come on, bro. I need a full refund and I'm fucking around and still gonna keep it broken. Like, let's be realistic. Give me my money and I'll keep it broken. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about that. I feel like at the end of the day, if you're paying $1,500 for a fridge, I need them to bring that shit to my house, personally deliver it, make me sign, take it out the box and plug it in the wall for me. Like, I'm not paying that. It's not even a full fridge. They wildin'. So I guess like the whole back side of it is literally just cracking off. So now I'm basically just gonna hop on Supreme Leaks News and talk about a couple different leaks that we are seeing. We do have some Palace dice, which are actually sick in my opinion. Supreme actually released dice. I think it was this season or last season. Honestly, I think it is this season, but they did release dice. So the fact that Palace is coming out with their own is actually pretty fire. I do like the Palace ones as well. And if they're not too pricey, I might go ahead and go for them. I know they released this upcoming Friday, I believe. I do like the box that it comes with. I don't really have that much Palace anyway, so I kind of feel like this is a nice piece to go ahead and get. I feel like I'll personally use these. I love playing like board games and stuff, which I don't have that much time anymore, but I do love playing board games. And I do feel like instead of regular dice, you can swap it out, use the Supreme or use the Palace ones. They're fire. We got a couple more Palace pieces releasing that I'm gonna fly through. If you guys are interested in a full Palace dropless video each week, let me know in the comments and I could possibly do that for you guys. We do got this Palace hoodie, which is like in this forest green color. I think that is solid. We got the incense holder, which is another clean piece for a lot of people who do like lighting their incense, you know what I mean? We got the Palace triple heart triferg type vibe on it. This is actually kind of fire. I do like this tee. I don't know if it's like a little bit on the girlier side, but at the end of the day, it does look fire. I wonder if it has the smaller logo on the front. This is actually a clean shirt that I would wear, probably in this black colorway. Just keep it real simple, real subtle. In the black colorway, I'd probably rock it. We got the Palace princess piece. They could hold that one. These track pants are fire. Dude, they got the Palace cafetera tee. Like, stop playing. What? That's fire. Stop. That's hard. That's hard. We got this knitted bucket hat as well. Then you got some shorts, which are actually kind of clean. I feel like for the summer, these subtle type shorts are the way to go. I'm trying to tell y'all. You got the Palace princess tee. We good on that. There is a Sakai Cause collaboration, which is in the works, and we finally see actual pieces. So let's go ahead and look at this real quick. You got the Sakai Cause tee right here. You got the hoodie, which the hoodie is sick. The hoodie is actually fire. I'd probably go for that in a different colorway. This white with the red on the tee is clean. Ooh, how do I feel about these ugly shits? I like the whole XX on the front side of it and shit, but I don't know. Bro, look at the back. It's like 10 layers. Nah. I don't know how I'm feeling about the sneakers. Maybe in a different colorway they could wow me, but these right here ain't doing it for me. I'm not gonna lie. We do got this box logo, which does look like a little foo-foo BOGO. I'm not gonna lie. So there's this pair of Bape studs right here. I know if you're from back in the day, you love Bape studs. Like, Bape is just the wave from back in the day. I feel like the Bape stud wave will eventually like find its way back. This colorway is hard right here. It kind of reminds me of the Strange Love dunks for some weird reason. I don't know why. I do like the little Bape stuff face on the back. Fire. Oh, there's more colors too, bro. I don't know how I feel about that one. The black with the gray is hard. I mainly like the pink or the black with the gray. Essentials Fear of God did release like a new collection type shit, but I honestly didn't go for it. I feel like there's a lot going on in my pockets right now, so I'm trying to like relax on just spending all my money on clothes. We do got this Essentials crew neck, which is fire. The hoodie, which shout out to my girl, she kind of did get me the same hoodie, so I don't really need this. Briefs, I didn't even know that. I low-key do need some briefs. A mock neck, that's kind of hard. All right, they do got some fire. The shorts are damn, I should have got some, bro. Who am I fooling? I should have got these shorts in the black, bro. That's fire. I already took my L, so it is what it is. All right, so the last bit of news I'm gonna talk about in this video is the fact that Travis Scott is gonna be releasing pairs of Air Max 1s, if I'm not mistaken. It's like 4 or 5 or something like that, and he was actually spotted wearing a pair. So we're gonna go ahead and analyze right here. It almost looks like a baby blue color off the back. That's what I'm gonna say, like a mustardy navy brown around the swoosh area, backward swoosh at that. You got like some weird looking ass like stitching over the top of the shit. I don't know, these look kind of, I need to see more pictures, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but they look decent. Low-key, I've been trying to get a pair of Air Max 1s, the royal pair, like the white and the blue. I've been trying to get those, but I'm not trying to pay $200 for no Air Max 1s. I remember them bitches going for like $40 back in the day. Like, I can't pay $200, bro. Like, no. These actually do go kind of hard. Whenever they release, obviously I'm gonna try to go for them. I don't know if this is like a must for me. This is like an Air Max 270, Air Max 1 type, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not a Jordan, Travis Scott. Like, I'd be fiending over that. This is fire though, don't get it twisted. For all the Air Max 1 lovers out there, this might do it for you. Like, these look clean at the end of the day. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all thought about this video down below by leaving a like on this one. If you did enjoy, subscribe to the channel, man. It definitely does mean a lot. Look at the sub count, subscribe down below, definitely means the world. We're so close to 20K. I could almost taste it if I was driving like 200 miles an hour down the speedway, 2,000 miles down the way. Literally every subscription is 1 mile closer, so go ahead and subscribe. And with all that being said, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.